Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 5th of January 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 10th of January 2025. The max OI level is lower for PE and CE, that's negative. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. The change is higher for CE, that's positive. The short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, but historical volatility is higher. That's a positive and a negative respectively. RSI is lower, negative. RSI, no divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower and pivot point is lower as well. That's two negatives. Candlestick is neutral. Overall support is 450 this week based on the option chain. Previous week's support was also 450. Oh wait, this is wrong. New support is 390. I guess this hasn't saved. 390. Previous week's support was 450. The current resistance is 450, 430. That's not wrong. That's not correct. 430 and the previous week's resistance is 455. Overall, the prediction this week is to stay neutral for Tesla. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.